How to remove black dots on iPhone screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you personalize your iPhone with features for vision, mobility, hearing, and speech, making your device easier to use. Inside the Accessibility menu, locate and tap on Motion. On the Motion page, tap on Show Vehicle Motion Cues as shown. This feature displays dots near the edges of your screen that follow a vehicle's movement to reduce motion sickness. To disable the feature, simply select Off from the list. A checkmark will appear next to it, confirming your selection is saved. Following these steps, you can easily remove black dots on an iPhone screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.